So guys, the Nothing Phone 1 was much hyped phone last year and it actually lived up to it. Features like an OLED panel, 50 megapixel dual cameras, Snapdragon 778G Plus, new design and a very attractive price made the device one of the best mid-range smartphones. And now its successor is on the way, and according to leaks and rumors, the Nothing Phone 2 will feature flagship level specs. The brand has officially confirmed that the Nothing Phone 2 is arriving this summer. However, the brand hasn't revealed the exact launch date, but we can expect the handset to make its debut between the month of June and August. The Nothing Phone 2 is rumored to feature the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, which is last year's flagship CPU. It was even confirmed by a Qualcomm executive during MWC 2023. In the post, he was congratulating the Nothing team on using the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC. If this is indeed true, then this will be a huge upgrade over its predecessor that came with the Snapdragon 778G Plus SoC. The teaser video suggests that the device will arrive with lights on the back, similar to its predecessor. Apart from the design and hardware specifications, not much is known about the handset. But since it will be a successor to the Nothing Phone 1, the device should get an OLED panel with at least 120Hz refresh rate. It could feature a 5000 mAh battery with at least 33W fast charging support. It is rumored to come with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. It could launch in the US followed by other global markets including India. So that's all we know about the Nothing Phone 2, and for more such videos subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace out.